It's really weird to compare a mini rugged phone with a standard rugged phone, but that's what I'm going to be doing. In this video, I'll be comparing the Unihertz Tank X with the Fossibot F116 Pro. Both devices are the latest devices from their respective brands. They are not available currently, but they are expected to launch very soon. Anyway, let's quickly compare the specs of both devices. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Today I have you guys the Fossibot F116 Pro versus the Unihertz Tank X. As you can see, both devices are 5G rugged phones, but the Unihertz Tank X is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 200, which means it's a much more powerful 5G rugged phone than the Fossibot F116 Pro. But the F116 Pro is one of the most powerful mini rugged phones, and the device serves a different purpose entirely. It's a compact mini rugged phone. If you want a device that is very small but extremely powerful and capable of pretty much anything you want to use a device for, then the Fossibot F116 Pro is the best choice here. But if you're looking for that ginormous rugged phone with a super large battery that could last for days, and it's very, very heavy and bulky, then the Tank X is the best option here. That's what I think, guys. But what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.